Hello my dear students, I am here again to discuss another figure of speech with you, that is antithesis, which is quite similar to oxymoron, but I'll tell you later on how to differentiate between the two. What is antithesis? When you use two opposite words or ideas together which are opposite in nature, but you have to get that effective contrast by balancing. Like a famous line of Satan, which was taken from Paradise Lost, that is, it's better to rule in hell than to serve in heaven. So it's quite important line and very strong also. And this light versus dark and to err is human, to forgive divine, these are important antithesis. Now, what is the difference between oxymoron and antithesis? In antithesis, you use a phrase against a phrase. That is group of words. Phrase, remember this, phrase against a phrase. ठीक है? And in antithesis, obviously you are using a complete phrase against one phrase, like one phrase against the other. And in oxymoron you use one word. आप एक word use करते हो, ठीक है? Deafening silence, old news, then clearly, confused, these are one word है ना. अब antithesis में you are using a phrase against a phrase. To rule in hell, better to rule in hell than to serve in heaven. Then to err is human, to forgive divine. So this is the difference between antithesis. I hope it's clear. And if you have any trouble in doing this or in differentiating or any other thing, anything which is coming to your mind as a question, you can comment in the comment box, and please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much and have a great day.